What do you have in your hand? What is that?
What are you eating? What is that?
What is it, Jared?
Corn?
Is that your corn?
Pork chop.
Flip it over that way.
How many pieces of corn did you eat?
Lots.
Is that your 4th piece of corn?
1, 2, 3, 4. What are you looking at?
Oh! What happened? It jumped out of your hand?
What happened to your corn?
Where did it go? Jared, where's your corn? Gotta start all over again. We'll get another piece.
Uh-oh, that'll be... You're going to have 5 pieces of corn?
5 pieces? Yeah, piece of corn.
5 pieces of corn.
It's hot. You gotta blow on it.
Hey, you gotta blow on it. That one's
hot.
hot. Blow some air on it.
Let's see, she didn't do very good, did she? Didn't set it up there where we get it.
Too heavy.
Yeah. Too heavy. It's too hot. Isn't it hot?
Yeah. It's too hot.